Welcome back to physics. I'm glad you're here. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be working on Module 2, Kinematics. Make sure you check for current due dates. Our learning objectives is to learn the difference between a scalar and a vector, between distance and displacement and how to calculate those. Apply models to determine average speed and average velocity. And then analyze the directional changes and their impact on the final motions. There are two pathways, the reading pathway and the video pathway. Go ahead and choose one. You're welcome to do two if you'd like to, but I'm only requiring one of those pathways. Once you're done with your pathway, jump in and do the fix the intern's mistakes. As we jump in here, it sets up a story problem, and then you need to go in and find the problems and fix them. So with this, you'll need to be doing some math, and as you do the math, I want to see the steps that you're going through so I can see how well you're doing. You're welcome to write down on a piece of paper, take a picture of it, and upload the picture, as long as I can read it. Now, the other thing you can do, have two other options. You can watch this video, and it teaches you how to use the scientific calculator, which is Desmos, or the online whiteboard. And the whiteboard you can just write on if your screen is touchscreen on your Chromebook, or if you have an iPad or something like that that has a touchscreen. You can write on the whiteboard, and then you can take you can save it, and that will create a PNG, and you can upload the PNG. Or you can use the scientific calculator where you can type stuff right in. Watch that video, it walks you through how to use that. Your task is to identify the flaw and explain why the intern's calculation logic for metrics 1 and 2 are backwards. Correct the calculations, and then in 1 to 2 sentences explain that. So you can do everything in the calculator and use a text box, or you can do everything in the whiteboard and upload the whiteboard, or a combination of the whiteboard and the calculator and the text box. Whatever you need to do, and if you need to upload a picture, please do. Once you're done with that, oh, by the way, this is how I'm going to grade you, okay? So you can look right at this and kind of figure out how I'm doing, right? So make sure you use that tool, because that is how I'm going to grade you on that. In the lab, you're going to need a stopwatch, a short straight pathway inside your home or outside. You can go outside. And 3 small household objects to act as markers. So you're just basically setting up a course, right? And then you're going to walk through that course and time yourself. And then you're going to go through this here, the data analysis and submission questions. Same thing if you want to use the whiteboard and the calculator and pictures and the text box, whatever you need to do that. This is how I'm going to grade you. Once you're done with that, go ahead and jump in and do the quiz. On the quiz, the biggest thing to remember is to submit it before you go on to the next, just like we did in the last one. This is what I'm targeting it to be. You can take longer than 20 minutes, but you should be shooting to go no longer than 20 minutes. If you're going longer than that, you probably should review. And of course, if you get all 6 questions right, then you're fine. This is worth 30 points. It is worth most of the points in this. And a few things to do before you jump in and take the quiz, okay? And then finally, let me go back. Finally, we have this module, or the module survey. Please take the module survey. The whole idea of that is to help me help you be better. If there's something you think that would be cool to have, you think that you need to be more successful, let me know. If I can get it and do it, I'll try it, okay? Good luck, and let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to work with you, and don't forget office hours. Take care. Talk to you soon.